to Czech Republic, we are back to amazing city of Pacov, which hosted last year MX3 World Championship and was awarded by Ustream as the best MX3 organizer. And this year we are here for an exceptional event, 2014 Motocross of European nations, which also will include women's category. We will watch the incredible battles of 85, 125 and 250cc riders. Stay with us on MXGPTV.com and enjoy the best actions of Saturday and Sunday highlights.
Hi guys, we are the Team San Marino. We are looking the track because it's our first time here in Pacov, and the track is very nice. We hope in a good race. Follow us in the track!
Hey, we are the Team Italia. I'm Chiara Fontanesi
and Francesca Nocera. We ride last year here in Pacov for the Women World Championship, and this year we have the race for European nation.
And the track looks really good, it's pretty fast, but let's go watch the race.
And
Forza Italia!
Hello, welcome in the Czech Republic. We are ready to race. Ciao!
Hi, my name is Nikola Hranic. I ride for Team Croatia and my start number is 75. In class 250 we have Luka Križnik. In class 125 we have Luka Crnkovic. And in the class 85 we have Michel Philippi. Croatia! Yeah!
Hello everybody, my name is Larissa Papenmeier. I ride for Germany and welcome to Pacov.
We're here at the European of Nations. My name is Marianne Veenstra and I ride for Holland.
Hi, this is Paolo Lugana. I'm 14 years old and I ride for Italian team in the 85 class. It's the first time in Pacov, and I'll try to do my best. Bye bye.
Hey guys, we are here at Pacov and the track is looking really great and the weather also. I really like this track because I had the GP here last year and I was leading for 8 minutes, so I think we can have a good weekend over here, and success Team Netherlands.
Hi everybody, we are a team from Slovakia. We are ready for the race.
Yeah!
Hello, I'm Justine Charot, Team France. Last year the French team won the European nation in Castelnau-de-Lévis, and this year all the riders are ready for win the European nation.
Whoa!